Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit photos on CapCut. Yes, CapCut has it all. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is import a photo to your CapCut project. So you can do so by tapping on import, finding your photograph and tapping on open at the bottom. Now I've got one in here and I've put it onto my timeline. What we can do here is go over to the right hand side and click on adjustment. Make sure that your clip is selected, and if we scroll down, we can now go ahead and we can edit this photograph. So there are a few ways you can use this slider. Over here you can see those changes as it's happening. You can also go ahead and use the arrows to change those values, and then you can simply put in the value by double clicking and entering that value right over there. Okay, so what we want to do now is we are going to export this, but there's one problem. This is going to be exported as a video, in actual fact a 5-second video. Let's say we don't want to do it like this. Well, CapCut does have an image editor, so we're going to leave this. We're going to go over to our browser, and from here you can click on image at the top right hand side. Now if you haven't opened it yet on your browser and you've opened up CapCut, you've gotten over to this screen, you can see that there is a create image button, and if you click on that it will redirect you here. You're going to click on image on the top on the right hand side. Here you're going to click on new image at the bottom, and here you can import an image of your choice. Now it can be whatever image that is on your device. All you have to do is tap on upload image. You can change the width and the height, and you can tap on create. We now have our image in our image editor, and over on the right hand side you have your filters, and you can apply whatever filters you need. You can also go ahead and add effects. So this will be types of image effects. You can also go ahead, remove a background if you'd like to, and then if you go into adjust, there are all those tools that you saw previously. So you can now change the warmth, the tint, the saturation, vibrance, everything from lighting, detail and color. And when you're done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to tap on download all. It's now going to download this image. If you'd like to add anything to this image, such as a title, a text, any sort of shape or additional photograph, a sticker or a frame, you can go over to the left hand side. There are a bunch more tools. So there you go. Now you know how to do some photo editing in CapCut. One tool, a million uses. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace out.